my personal experience, I have gotten so much more by being delusional than I have being realistic. So hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla, and today's video is going to be why the saying being Delulu is a Solulu actually works. So I heard this saying on TikTok, and you might have heard it as well, you might not have, but it's kind of a saying that just kind of is like, when you're delusional, that's the solution to everything. And I'm going to explain the truth in that and why it actually works today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content like this. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first reason why the saying being Delulu is the Solulu actually works is because when you're delusional, you're in a state of having or acting as if you have what you want. So in regards to the law of attraction, the law states that whatever like energy you're putting out is a like energy that you're going to attract. So like attracts like, basically. And so same thing kind of goes with when you're delusional and you act like you have what you want and you act like everything's going okay, and the universe has no choice but to give you that same energy, because it's literally universal law that whatever energy you're putting out, you are going to get back. So this is why being delusional does work, and acting as if you already have it, even if it's not right there in front of you, will bring it into your reality eventually, because you're staying in that state. One thing that is important about this though is that you have to stay in that state for like as long as you can until it gets to you, because if you start, wavering and going like, where is it, then you're not matching that energy, you're not doing the like attracts like type thing. So being delusional is like, you have to persist in that delusion and just like, you know what, it's coming to me, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it's on its way, and acting like you already have it will bring it to you very quickly. I always tell people that in my personal experience, I have gotten so much more by being delusional than I have being realistic. So do with that what you will. The second reason why the saying being the Delulu is a still Lulu actually works is because while we are in the 3D reality, there are so many more dimensions and a lot of things that are unseen. And so one of those things is the 4D. So people kind of always say, like, when we're dreaming, we might go to other dimensions, the 60, 70, there's so many different dimensions. But one thing when it comes to manifesting is that in this reality, our 3D reality, everything around us, we can observe with our 5 senses. So we can feel it, we can taste it, we can touch it, we can smell it, we can hear it. But in the 4D, you might not be so susceptible to it, and you can't really observe the thing that you want with your 5 senses. So when it comes to manifesting and being delusional in general, when you focus on the 4D of like having that thing and like just being in the energy of already having it, then you will attract it to you. And I always tell people too, the reason you want something so bad is because a version of you in maybe another dimension already has that thing, which is why you want to bring it into reality so badly. So when you persist in the energy of the delusion again, or just acting as if you already have it, then it again has no choice but to come to you. So again, being delusional about that thing, saying, oh my gosh, I have the thing, I'm blowing up, everything is working out for me, things will start to work in your favor as long as you persist in that delusional energy. The third and final reason that the saying being Delulu is a Solulu actually works is because you are matching the frequency of your desire. So this kind of goes hand in hand again with law of attraction, law of assumption. Everything, even inanimate objects, have a frequency and a vibration. Your frequency is determined by your emotions, because emotions are energy in motion. So there's a different, I'll put in a picture of the emotional scale basically. Whatever emotion you are embodying is determining your frequency and therefore your vibration. So if you're having really low energy, low emotions like shame, guilt, fear, hate, that kind of thing, you will be operating at a very low vibration. Whereas if you have a frequency that is a lot higher, so you're operating out of love, appreciation, having an attitude of gratitude, then you are more likely to be in a higher frequency and a higher vibration, making you more of a magnet to the things that you're desiring. So again, hand in hand with the law of attraction, when you are in that high vibration and you're in that high frequency, or again being delusional, then you will attract the thing to you because you're already in the energy of having it. You're in a high frequency, you're happy, you're joyful, you're elevated. Whereas in turn, if you're in a low frequency, a lower vibration, then that thing is not going to match your frequency. You're going to attract more of that energy to you than if you're in a higher frequency, a higher state of mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and again, subscribe down below for more content like this. I am kind of pivoting towards more mindset and manifestation content, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. I know I kind of built this platform a while ago, and I've just kind of changed over the years, but this is something I feel like I really do want to teach and talk about because it has really changed my life and helped me manifest and bring in so much into my reality, so I just want to share that with you guys as well. If you guys want to as well, I have my mindset and manifestation workshop. It'll be linked down below if you want to dive deeper into manifesting and just creating the life that you dream of, then that'll be linked below as well. And make sure you check out my socials also. Both my Instagram and TikTok are at Lifestyle with Shayla, and they will be down in the description as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!